Good morning, students. Welcome back to St. Joseph's English Medium School, Vijaypur. WhatsApp digital learning classes of 4th standard math subject. In the last class, we have completed exercise number 8.7, that is prime factorization. That is method number 1, prime factorization by repeated division, and prime factorization by building a factor tree. With this, we have solved the exercise number 8.7's question. Find the prime factors of these numbers. This we have completed in earlier video. Let us move to the next part of our lesson. Today we are going to begin the exercise number 8.2 as it is the last exercise of our lesson number 8. So today in this video we are going to learn HCF. HCF is highest common factor by using prime factorization method. By using prime factorization method, we have to find HCF, highest common factor. For given set of number, we have to find the highest common factor. So this is the page number, textbooks page number 113. The question is find the HCF by prime factorization method. Find the HCF of 48 and 72. Example is given here, 48 and 72. This one can be done by two methods. That is, method number 1 is by division method. Second is also circling the common, second method is by doing the least common primer factor by using the divide method only, but here going to write least common factor method. That is little bit confusing because we will left out many things over there. For that reason, we will go for method number 1 first to understand it. 48 we have to divide completely. 2 24s are 48, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. This 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 4, 2 into 2 into 3. If you multiply this, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. This means our factorization is correct. Our division method is correct. Let us do the 72 for this. 2 36 2s are 72, 36 2s are 72, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 2s are 72. Now this is what commonly we have find the factors. Now common factors we have to find. This is what we have find that the factors of 48 and 72. Complete 72 factors are there and 48. Among both factors, which are the common are there, that we have to circle now. Here first number 2 is there, that is circle. Second 2 and 2 is there, circle. Third also 2 and 2 is there, circle. Next 2 and 3 is there, no, cannot circle. Why? Because it is a different. Now last 3 and 3 is there, so that means you have to circle. Therefore HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now multiply this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 24 is the highest common factor for 48 and 72. The method number 2 is there, but that is also same by division method only, but here together we divide children. Here we are separately divided and we have written the separately factors. There we have find the common factors. Here directly we are going to divide two numbers together. 24 2s are 48, 24 2s are 48, 36 2s are 72, 12 2s are 24, 18 2s are 36, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 3 2s are 3 3s are. So now common factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 24. So here what happens, where we do get the prime numbers last, we have to stop. Sometimes unequally we'll get it. That's why it's not so popular method. Better we will do for method number 1, children. We go for better number 1, that is separately divide and find the factors and circle the common factors and write this HCF. Okay. Let us do the exercise children by doing the question number 1. Find the HCF by prime factorization method. 36 and 18 are the given numbers. We have to find the HCF for these both numbers, which will divide this number completely. So first we will divide 36. 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. 1 is got enough. Now 18. Write the factors of 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 18. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now 18's factor 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Now common factors children, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 3 and 3. Now HCF is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So common factor for both the number 36 18 is 18. So let us do the B question children. 25 and 50. First let us divide the 25. We know what is the prime factor prime number for divide 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. So 25 is equal to 5 into 5. Now 50. 2 5 we'll go for not 2, we can go for 2 also. 2 25s are, we can also do it. Otherwise 5 10s are 50. 5 2s are 10. 2 1s are 2. This is the method also, we can do it. Now let us write the factors of both. 25 is equal to 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 50 is equal to 5 into 5 into 2. 5 5s are 25. 25 2s are 50. Now common factors 5 and 5. 5 and 5. Therefore HCF is equal to 5 in 5s are 5 5s are 25. Now let us take the C question children. 150 and 300. For this we have to find the HCF. Let us do the 150. So which is the prime number we have to divide here? With the 5. 5 3s are 15. 0 as it is, or 35s are 150. 5 6s are 30. 3 2s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 150 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 2. 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75. 75 2s are 150. 300. 5 6 are 30. So 0 as it is 60. 65s are 300. 5 12s are 60. 12 5s are 60. 3 4s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So 5 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 2. 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75. 75 2s are 150. 150 2s are 300. Now write the common factors, circle it. 5 and 5. 5 and 5. 3 and 3. 2 and 2. Therefore HCF is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 2. 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75. 75 2s are 150. This means in the A question, 18 is the highest common factor which is going to divide 36 and 18. In 25 and 50, highest common factor is 25 which is going to divide 25 and 50 completely. In 150 and 300, HCF is 150, that is going to divide the 150 and 300 completely. Let us do the one or two more questions children. Let us do the D question. D question is what? 65 and 91. Let us do the 65 first children. 13 table. Directly we can go for 13 table. 13 5s are 65. Because 13 is the prime number children. Yes or wrong? Next. 5 1s are 5. 36. 13 5s are 65. Next. 91. 13 7s are 91. 7 1s are 7. 7. So, here's the highest common factor is 13. Common factor is only one number. 13 is going to divide both the numbers. Let us do the E question children. It is 48, 60, 32. 48, 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 60. 2 30s are, 2 15s are, 3 5s are, 5 1s are. So for 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 32 is equal to 2 into 2 16 2s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Therefore 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now here in the 3 numbers are given, children. So among 3 also we should get the common number. First common factor we get is 2 2 2. Second common factor is 2 2 2. Third is 2 3 2. No, not possible. 2 5 2, not possible. 3 2, not possible. So only we got 2 2s. So therefore HCF is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. This means this 4 is the highest common factor for 48, 60 and 32. 4 is the highest common factor for 48, 60, 32. Understood, children? This is the method we have to solve the exercise, children. Understood, children? Open the class work. If you are not understood, please watch the video 1 or 2 times. And remember, in the video I am only solved few questions. Remaining all questions you can find in the PDF. Because as exercises are more, so only few questions I am going to solve in the video. Remaining all questions will be solved in the PDF. By seeing the PDF, you have to write all the question answers, children. In today's exercise, we have completed exercise number 8.8 in your class. Write in your classwork and homework by using the dark pencil, children, neatly. So I hope you have no doubts. If you do still you have doubts, please call to my number and clarify your doubts. Today in this video we have completed lesson number exercise number 8.8 of lesson number 8. This is the last video of the lesson number 8. With this, lesson number 8 is completed. Next, 9th lesson is geometry and one more critical thinking. These 2 lessons were left over because that will be not taught. From the next video, I am going to start the second semester. Because the portion is been cut down from the government itself, that's why we have cut down the lesson. This geometry lesson, again it will be repeated you in the 5th standard. By keeping in that mind, we have left that lesson for the full 5th standard. So the next lesson we are going to start the second semester's first lesson, that is fraction lesson, children. Till the next video, stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching the video, children. Goodbye.